there is amras, ambapoli, ambawadi, then kairi pane. All these things are very tasty and delicious. So let's go inside. Look at this. And there is these sweet pickles, hapus musamba. There's mango pickle. This is also very tasty. It's like almost like jam. Then you have papads. These are roasted and quite crunchy. So it's very tasty. These are like different varieties of them. They taste different but have the same crunch. Then you have lasun chutney. This is a garlic chutney, and this is also very nice. It's a dried form of garlic chutney. Tastes extremely good. And this is peanuts, shengdana chutney, peanut chutney. There is kanda lasun masala. That means onion and garlic masala. So you can put this in your food while you make your dishes. Then there is mixed masala. Then there is all sorts of masalas, special masala, mutton masala. This right here. You can even see the prices on it. It's around 55-60 rupees for a packet of 100 grams. There's like lemon pickle. What is this? This is pachak, some sort of digestive. Oh no. This is chikki. This is like a dessert or sweet dish, which is quite crunchy. Not meant for people who have weak teeth. This is what I like. This is Malwani Khaze. This is like, this is also sweet and this tastes very nice. You have your wafers. You have these round laddus, which are also quite tough. Not meant for people who have weak teeth. Otherwise, your teeth may break in half, or at least a portion of it. It's a natural, hai na te? This is another sweet dish, a packaged mango sweet dish. This is also nice. Sweet. Karavanda vadi. Oh, this is something I've never seen. I don't know the exact translation of this karavanda vadi. How much is the cost? 35 rupees. It's ambapoli. So all those of you Maharashtrians out there, you must be knowing what this is. This is very famous and you must have had this in your childhood. I highly recommend this. This and this. This is Konkani thecha. Thecha as in it must have chili and garlic. Very nice. What is this? Amras. This is mango juice, you can say, but with the pulp. So I got all this. And this is all what I got. And this thing. This is mutton masala. Let's see how it tastes. This is goat limbu lonche. That means sweet lemon pickle. This is mango pickle. So I got this mango jam also. Let's check it out. So all this costed 470 rupees. So guys, finally reached the hotel. Now I'll just go and sleep. So guys, I hope you had fun. So tomorrow, I don't know what I'm going to do. Probably just chill out in the resort itself. I like the swimming pool, so maybe I'll go in the morning and just relax in the swimming pool. Do check out my photographs on Instagram and follow me on Instagram also. and on Facebook too, so that you can get updates about my videos in case you have not hit the bell icon. So please hit the bell icon also. Otherwise, the notification don't necessarily reach you, and you may not know as to which are the new videos on my channel. So with that said, thank you guys for watching till here. If you have watched, then I'm very happy, and for now I will just take a short nap. So anyways guys, I'll see you tomorrow. This is Alibaug saying goodbye to all of you all. Hit the bell icon, and if you like the video, then please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.